Okay, it's Friday, September 13th, 2024. It's about 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Just a quick look-see at my account so you can see what I'm working with today. I have $312 total account value, and I have that same amount in settled cash I can trade with today. So I will pause the video and be back when the market opens. Okay, I have an order in, and we are filled and in the trade. My average price is $2.84. Profit and loss is right here. Buyers coming in. Buyers and sellers battling back and forth. Again, 284 is my entry price. Just making adjustments on my stop and my take profit. I have day 295. I will set my take profit right at that mark. And we've been stopped out. Let's take a look. Took a loss of $7.82. That is still within my 2 to 3% tolerance on my total account value. It's a negative 2.5%. Boy, a lot of struggle on that trade back and forth. I'll pause the video and come back if I see another opportunity. I have an order in at 238, 50 shares. I'm going to raise that order up to 241. Still 50 shares. All right, we are filled and in the trade. Again, profit and loss down here. We are in at 241 with 50 shares. Trying to offset this $7 loss I took on the first trade. Again, we are in this trade at 241 with 50 shares. and we are now out. Okay, we ended up negative $1.33 for today. This first trade was a negative $7.80, and the trade I just took was a positive $6.50. So there is the negative $1.33. Tough morning this morning. Market didn't want to give up a whole lot, but that's what we did today, and we will try again next Monday.